You guys want to play Uno real quick and I can record it and make that my upload tonight?
I don't have Uno, so fuck off.
Everyone has Uno, dipshit. It came free with your fucking Xbox.
I didn't get it. I have the oldest Xbox known to man.
No, you don't. I got mine on day one, you fucking tard.
Well, mine didn't have it.
You have Uno, you fucking dick!
I don't have it, you fucking...
You have Uno!
I don't fucking have Uno, motherfucker!
Go play Uno in the fucking arcade! You'll be able to download it for free, you dumb motherfucker! It's a fucking card game! They don't even charge people for it!
10!
You don't know a goddamn thing! It's fucking Uno! It's free! It's free as fuck!
Is this going on YouTube?